Today, we're looking at the 10 best templates for YouTube Shorts in 2021. This dynamic selection of templates will give your online presence a boost of vibrancy and style, helping you to create standout vertical videos. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription-based service that helps you bring your ideas to life. With full access to millions of digital creative assets, resources, and services, simply download whatever you want as many times as you want and use your favorite items to enhance your creative projects. Find the perfect plan for you or your business by clicking the link in the description below. Number 10. Kinetic Typography Instagram Stories by Yeti. At number 10 today, this stylish and dynamically animated template is the perfect way to promote your YouTube channel. With 18 unique story designs, full color control, and compatibility with both After Effects and Premiere Pro, this template will help you impress your audience in no time. Number 9. Notification Instagram Pack, Vertical and Square by MotionBeard. Our next stylish video template provides the perfect way to beautifully animate phone notifications. With editable video and photo placeholders and full color control, it's easy to animate this pack to suit your needs. Number 8. Urban Instagram Stories by Colorama. At number 8 today, we have a modern urban design geared towards advertising and promotions. With a clear and bold visual aesthetic, this template provides a distinctive professional style without overwhelming your audiences. Number 7. Instagram Stories Pack by Motion Wizard Studio. Our next pack of templates gives you a huge variety of design options that can be fully customized to suit your needs. With 540 slides, 19 backgrounds, and 33 transitions, as well as emojis, titles, and swipes, you'll never run out of options. Number 6. Instagram Stories by Justamotion. This Premiere Pro video template pack is a must-have for corporate, fashion, or promotional creations. With a sleek, minimalist design that features smooth animation and stylish typography, it's sure to make your content stand out from the crowd. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Instagram Slideshow Pack IGTV Post Stories by Zarin. If you've been looking for an easy and affordable way to make professional and impressive videos for social media, look no further than this pack. With 4 different aspect ratios to fit a range of vertical video needs, it's perfect for social media advertising or personal projects, easily letting you maximize your brand's YouTube presence in a matter of minutes. Number 4. Aura Stories Pack by Motion Media Group. Up next, we have a Premiere Pro pack with a fresh and playful design. Perfect for growing your YouTube channel presence. It includes 15 animated stories, 4K output, and a gorgeous green colorscape. Number 3. Instagram Stories by Motion Lemon. At number 3, we have a vertical video pack that would work well in a variety of settings. With bold colors, pleasing geometric designs, and cleanly animated typography, this modern template is the perfect all-rounder. Number 2. Bureau Instagram Stories by MakeSpace. This modern social media-friendly video template pack is a great way to share your stories online. With a huge variety of stylish designs included, the hardest part will be picking just one. Number 1. Brutalism Instagram Stories by Colorama. At number 1 today, we have an eye-catching video template that effortlessly elevates your YouTube visibility. With unlimited color options, a step-by-step video tutorial included, and no plugins required, it's never been easier to get a professional final result. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best templates for YouTube Shorts in 2021. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. And if you want even more templates, get access to a selection of free vertical videos from Mixkit at mixkit.co/vertical-videos, or by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.